Hi guys, I just want to get on because I just got the best package in the mail today from Olive Bet Jewelry. I can't wait to show you. So this is the first time I've ever done one of those reveal things, and it's really hard one-handed. So I just want to give props to all those people who do this on a daily basis because I can barely do this, but there's my sneak peek. I just want to take a minute to say how well everything was packaged, and you could see the love that Alyssa puts into each packaging, making sure none of the products come damaged. So I see you. I acknowledge you. I see that love that you put in. So thank you. Thank you so much. So here is my first wall art, Hamsa Evil Eye. I just can't describe how amazing it looks, and the dimensions. The camera doesn't do it justice. And this is my second wall art. It is a wooden hamsa, but it has the glass bead evil eye and the glass evil eye on the bottom. I just love it because it's hand blown. Again, I can't do it. This camera doesn't do it justice how amazing this looks. It's a very dark day here, so you can't really tell how amazing these things look on my wall, but I love the contrast of the blue and my sunset yellow wall. It's gorgeous. So don't mind my laundry in the background. I'm just a normal person doing my normal Wednesday chores. I want to say that I was not sponsored by Olive Bet Jewelry whatsoever. I didn't get paid to do this reveal or anything. I actually don't think that Alyssa knew that I was doing this. What I do want to acknowledge is that she put so much time and effort and love into her products. As you can see in the back, like, oh my gosh, I love it so much. She put so much time and effort into her products and so much love that I wanted to acknowledge that. I wanted to acknowledge what small businesses do. So Kol HaKavod, Alyssa, thank you so much. Again, I didn't get any money for this sponsorship. I just saw something amazing and I wanted to share. So, look, I can't. My camera just wants to go directly towards the amazingness behind me. Thank you again, Alyssa. Kol HaKavod.